Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on subtitles in Netflix. So to do this, you have just to go to Netflix app, open it, go to your profile, and after that choose any TV show that you want to watch. For example, I will open this one. And to enable the subtitles, there is an option called audio and subtitle. You have just to click on it, and if maybe you will find it off like that, so you have just now to choose any language you want to see your subtitles on and just click on it, and like that, as I will show you, the subtitles are activated, as you can see. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. To like this video